Hi. Let's see how ChatGPT can be used for sales in 10 different ways. Let's learn. Business professionals can use ChatGPT to generate responses that align with business's unique value proposition and selling points. Using ChatGPT for reframing objections in sales can be a valuable tool to assist in crafting effective responses and strategies for addressing objections. ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for generating probing questions for sales conversation. ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for enhancing a workshop on empathetic communication by providing content, insights, and interactive elements to make the workshop more engaging and informative. ChatGPT assists in creating and enhancing follow-up plan for addressing objections in sales. ChatGPT can be a helpful tool in the creation of a guide or playbook on objection handling in sales. ChatGPT can enhance account-based selling by providing critical data points from customer interactions, such as firmographics, financials, behavior, personalization, challenges, competitors, historical information, account health, regulatory factors, and implementation timelines. ChatGPT streamlines target account research by extracting insights, refining decision maker profiles, providing contextual information on industry trends, summarizing data, generating customized content, and accelerating the research process. ChatGPT helps with AI-driven insights and predictive analytics by summarizing data, improving natural language understanding, facilitating communication, aiding insights interpretation, and supporting continuous learning through user-friendly interfaces. ChatGPT enriches the ABS playbook with personalized content, objection handling strategies, and insights, ensuring an adaptive and efficient sales strategy. It aids in cross-functional collaboration and continuous improvement, optimizing communication in the ABS process.